Hello, welcome back to Responsive Web Design with freeCodeCamp. We're in step 5. This is going to be a super easy one. They literally just want us to add this below our subheading, just some text. We're going to add learn the skills to become a full stack developer. So I'm sure it's coming up in the next lesson, but we're going to learn how to tell the web page that this is a paragraph. Sure, we could just type it out like this, but again, HTML is about structuring your web page in such a way that search engines are able to categorize what everything is. So leaving it just like this is not great because we're not telling it what this text is. So in the next lesson, I'm sure we're going to wrap this in a paragraph tag, and you'll see what that looks like here coming up. Let's go ahead and check our code since I did forget it last lesson. Here it is. We passed.